2 Corinthians 5 verse 17 says, "Therefore if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. Old things are passed away. Behold, all things are become new." The Greek word translated new is Kainos, Strong's G 2537. That word matters. Kainos does not simply mean new in time, as if the believer is just a more recent version of the same old self. Greek has another word, neos, for that kind of chronological newness. Kainos means new in quality, character, kind, and form. Something fresh, something unprecedented, something that belongs to a different order of reality. So when Paul says anyone in Christ is a new creature, he is not describing religious self-improvement. He is announcing new creation. Today's word is kainos. First, kainos means new in quality, not merely new in time. Paul uses the word for newness of kind, character, and form, not simply something recent replacing something old. This means the promise of 2 Corinthians 5:17 is deeper than a newer mood, a newer routine, or a newer chapter. It is a new kind of existence. The believer is not just the old life with better habits attached. In Christ, the quality of the life itself has changed. Second, in Christ is a new creation, not an old self-renovation. The verse does not describe moral polishing or behavioral repair. It announces a fresh act of divine creation. That is why Paul can speak so absolutely. Old things are passed away, and all things are become new. This is not the language of patching a cracked wall. It is the language of God bringing a new reality into being. Third, union with Christ moves the believer into God's new reality. The change is not self-generated improvement, it is life inside the inaugurated new creation of the Messiah. Paul is writing in a world shaped by prophetic hope, where God promised new heavens, new earth, restored people, and a redeemed creation. In Christ, that future has already broken in. So the believer does not merely try harder inside the old order. The believer now lives from a new sphere, in Christ. Fourth, old things passed away means old identity frameworks lost authority. Paul isn't saying the believer no longer remembers the past or never struggles again. He is saying the old ruling categories no longer get the final word. Guilt, worldly judgment, alienation from God, and labels rooted in past failure have lost their throne. The past may explain part of your story, but it no longer owns your name. Fifth, behold means daily attention must shift to what is already true. Paul does not say, try to become new enough. He says, behold, look, see what God has already done. That means Christian growth begins with attention before it becomes action. You learn to notice the new creation reality, agree with it, and walk from it. The bottom line is this. Kainos means that in Christ, you are not a refurbished version of the old self. God has brought you into a new creation where old identity, guilt, and alienation no longer get to define you. Explore this in the Bible Verses Meaning app. Tap any verse, open word study, and then ask a biblical insight question that goes deeper into the original language, context, and daily wisdom. Today's song is Beyond the Chrono. That title fits because Kainos goes beyond chronological newness. In Christ, new does not only mean later in time, it means a new kind of life has broken into the old order.
The calendar is counting up the cycles of the gray, the same old repetition in the middle of the day. I was looking for a replacement, something polished for the shelf, trying to put a finish on the fracture of the self. But the pattern is a prison when the fabric isn't right. I don't need a newer shadow, I need a different kind of light. It isn't on the timeline, it isn't in the age. It's the burning of the parchment and the tearing of the page. It's Kainos, the qualitative break, the surge of the original for the spirit's sake. Not the second, not the later, not the line, but the uncreated quality, the form that is divine. It's unprecedented, the structure is changed, the DNA of reality is finally rearranged. Oh, the Kainos, the superior, the fresh and the high. I'm living in a standard that the chrono can't buy. I was patching up the foundation, I was sanding down the rust, treating every weakness like a legacy of dust. But this isn't just repair, this is alchemy of soul, making me the fragment that is better than the whole. Oh, the standard is a stranger to the history I knew. It's a different kind of breathing, it's a vision breaking through. I don't want the vintage, I don't want the last edition, anchored in the glory of an absolute transition. Unprecedented, the quality, superior, the reality, leaving all the chronological behind. It's a different form, it's a different form, it's a different mind. It's a different not the age, not the age, but the shift is ours. Kainos, the qualitative break, the surge of the original for the spirit's sake. Not the second, not the later, not the line, but the uncreated quality, the form that is divine. It's unprecedented, the structure is changed, the DNA of reality is finally rearranged. Oh, the Kainos, the superior, the fresh and the high. I'm living in a standard that the chrono can't buy. The past is a phantom, qualitatively lifted. Kainos, superior's form.